Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this Ridgid new batteries. Well, it's not really new, but this is the first time that I've seen that they have it on sales with a total of 4 of them. And this is the max output. This is the one that supposedly replaced the Octane batteries. And the regular price for this, as you can see, is $438. And currently now we can get it for $289. For those of you out there who's doing a lot of construction work, or you need like high power, you want to make sure that your power tool will run longer than expected, the 6 amp power is the way to go. And you're getting a total of 4 of them, which is awesome. I believe Ridgid is, I think they already have the 8 amps on its way. So if you need more power than the 6 amp, you can wait for the 8 amp, but I think those will be cost a lot more. With the Octane version, they had the 9 amp, but for some reason, with the max output, they only have the 8 amp. But for this battery, as you can see, it has a total of 242 reviews. And of those 242, the star is like 4.75 out of 5, so which is not bad at all. Here is a little close-up of the battery itself. Up to 2 times more power, 5 times more runtime. That is compared to the 1.5 amp power. And as you can see over here, it said free parts and service, lifetime service agreement. Basically, Ridgid changed their lifetimes policy, because before, if you're getting just the battery itself, it only has 3 years warranty. The only time that you get the batteries for lifetime is as if you buy it as a kit along with like another tool or something, like a drill, flashlight, something like that. Then it'll be a lifetime, but that's long gone, so now they change it. So now with just the battery by itself, you still get the lifetime warranty as long as you register within 90 days. And then you have to buy it at an authorized retailer, so you can't just get it up anywhere else. And as far as I know right now, 2 places that are authorized is Home Depot and direct-to-outlet.com, I believe. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's go down a little more. Here, if you want to buy the charger and on the grinder, you get 2 more batteries, not the max version, but you get the regular ones, and then you also get the free one if you buy the grinder as cordless grinder as well. But it's going to come out to be like $627, saving of $417. I don't know if you need that much. But here's the product overview. I'm not going to go through all of them. If you guys want, I'll list the link and you guys can read it yourself. It says built for a lifetime. And as you can see, the Ridgid battery, they're compatible with all of different kinds of tools, the radial, the leaf blower, you name it, the bandsaw, a bunch of them. Okay, that's pretty much it. And they do have what is this, 500 something. Wow, that's a lot. I thought I saw somewhere, this alone, just a 4 amp power is like 139, so I don't know who's gonna buy that. I believe I recently did a video about Ridgid's battery, 2 6 amp and 2 4 amp for $249, I believe. So if you want to save yourself a little bit cheaper, you can go that route. But if you want to be all out, I think this is the one to go. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If the channel has saved you some money, or if you were able to get on with some of the items that listed through the different videos or different promotions, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell notification, because as you guys know, some of these promotions, they're very time sensitive. Especially with some of the Amazon's items, they have like 24 hours or something like that, or sometimes even Home Depot as well too. So it's just so you guys don't miss out. Every time I post a video, you guys get the notification immediately. Other than that, take care, and thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video.